Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos, and I'm going to cover Vechain today. So yesterday I said I was going to look at the weekly because we had the weekly close yesterday, so let's jump into that. It's not going to be a long one just because I did cover it yesterday and not much has changed, but let's see. So ignore these pink lines for now, that's for a different time frame, but this was our weekly close. So we had a big wick to the upside and a big wick to the downside, and that usually means that it's a doji candle, and a doji candlestick just means that there is indecision in the market. So the buyers and the sellers were fighting basically of which way they wanted it to go last week, and it just means that the buyers or sellers didn't win. However, this doji candle is at a key level of resistance. So, and when the candle is at a key level of resistance, it can indicate more so that we are going to head to the downside. Actually, that's generally what it means. So this is a weekly support level here, very key. We lost that support and now we have a doji at resistance of that level. So that could then mean further continuation down. That's what it should entail when it's at a key level of resistance. If it was at a key level of support, then it would entail we're going up. But however, we have got the top of that candle at a resistance point there. So that's indicating to me personally that we will be going down. However, we are very overextended from our moving averages right now. So maybe we can have a short-term rally while we're waiting for these to come down before hitting our head and continuing down. Or we can just continue down and these will just carry on falling. Or, of course, come down, get above both of them and on your way up. But I don't see that happening right now. But we'll see. I want it to happen. I'm not being negative at all. But anyway, let's go swing low to swing high to get some targets here. So yeah, we lost the 0618 very clearly up here, but smashed through the 786, smashed through the 1 as well, had a wick up, so it could have recovered there at that point, but that week it didn't. Last week we did stay under the 1, and we kind of used it as an area of resistance, so we could consolidate around this 1 level for a while. Obviously, if we can get back above, then that's very good, that's very positive, but if we do hit our head and fall, our next target is the 1618 at 0.025 cent for Vechain. So that's our technical target that we are in at the moment, okay? A long-term target to the downside on the weekly, because we are in a weekly downtrend right now. We can see that. We've got lower lows at the moment, lower highs to this high here, sorry, we've got a lower high. So we are in a weekly downtrend and we need to break that trend. However, we need to find a bottom first and we need to have a bottoming out structure. And I do believe that could happen at the 1618 or any of these other two levels here on the fibs. But we've got to wait for that, we can only judge the charts on what it's showing us now. So let's have a look on the daily time frame. That was just a quick one on the weekly. So we're still in our ascending triangle pattern at the moment. We're on the cusp of breaking out right now. So, we're heading towards the apex. A break is going to be forced soon, either to the upside or the downside, but I do believe we may be heading to the downside just because our breakout line is on the 1 fib level. This line here was the 1 fib, remember, at 0.055 cent, and at the resistance point of the weekly support resistance level. So I do believe that even if we break above, we're going to have a hard time breaking through this weekly support above the 20, above the 55. So we could end up hitting our head and rolling over to the 1.272, which was this one here, this level here. Sorry, it's quite obviously I went on daily, so it's really zoomed out, so it's quite far, but this is the 1.272, and I do believe that if we do break down, where's that going to take us? We just need to form a bottoming out structure to know we have the bottom, and we're not seeing that yet, so I can't say, yeah, we found the bottom. That will take us to 0.042 cent of the breakout, and if we broke up, let's just see, that would take us to 0.067 cent. So we just got to see how that plays out. We need a break from here, then we can determine where we're going to head to next. But I've given you the targets, guys. I've given you some prices. So great buying opportunities if we do fall down here. Not financial advice, obviously. But that's it for Vechain, guys. Not much has changed. I will come back tomorrow and update. Let's see if we could get anything throughout the rest of the day. Just subscribe to my channel, please. And comment down below and like the video. And yeah, thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.